natin. Okay? Sa aklat po ng Galatians 2:16. Galatians chapter 2, verse 16. Knowing that a man is not justified by the works of the law. Every time you mention the word work, o worketh not, laging works of the law po yan. Hindi po yan works in general meaning. Okay. But by the faith of Jesus Christ, even we have believed in Jesus Christ that we might be justified by the faith of Christ and not by the works of the law. For by the works of the law shall no flesh be justified. So, maliwanag na ang Romans chapter 11, verse 6, hindi po yan works in general meaning. Kaya kapag ginamit ng isang pastor na nagtuturo at nagpapaliwanag ng Bible ang plain text interpretation at hindi niya ginamit ang intended meaning ng Bible, siya po ay nagtuturo ng another gospel. Siya po ay nagpapaliwanag ng private interpretation. Because every word, every chapter, every verses of the Bible has the intended meaning. You must, by all means, get your explanation sa Biblia, hindi sa dictionary. So doon ho bumagsak yung error. Ang tawag po, mga kapatid, sa may dalang pato, baliw. Ang tawag sa pumusta sa pato at naniwala sa pato, napato. Kaya ho, maraming napato ngayon. Okay? Kasi bakit? Nakakatawa. Napaniwalaan nila ang believe only. Walang prayer. Bakit believe only? Kasi walang prayer, walang acceptance. Wala naman sa Bible ang tumawag ka. Ang sabi ng Bible, whosoever shall call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. Ano ba ang prayer? Ano ba meaning ng prayer? Call. Iba lang ang ginamit, call. Pastor, walang acceptance. Nasa Bible yan. Then will gladly receive His word. In fact, yung receive and believe, they are interchangeably used. But the believe only without receive, yun po yung dangerous teaching. Well, alam